Piny owacho ochako chenro mar tudo chula mayudore e alwora mar Nam Lolwe kod teko mar wang' chieng' mar sola kaka yo mar tieko midhiero mar onge mar sitima e gwengego. Koloso e kinde mane osidho ayanga chenro mar tudo teko wang' chieng' mar sola mitimo kod Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation e chula mar Ngodhe kod Takawiri e kaunti ma Homa Bay, jatend migawo mar teko Opiyo Wandayi nonyiso jodak ma chulago mondo oti gi teko mar wang' chieng' mar sola e bwo ngimagi e yore mag ohala kod jiwo yore mag lupo. Wandayi wacho ni sirikal kokalo e REREC osetudo ne jopiny sitima e chula ma Mageta, Wasini, Takawiri kod Ngodhe.
Some of these areas where we are putting up these projects have not had the opportunity to be connected to electricity since independence. In fact, since the world began, if I may call it so. And we are doing this from renewable energy sources, which is solar, 100%. And this is basically also contributing towards our energy transition, our movement towards 100% green energy, whose target is to be 100% by the year 2030. It is a very, very successful project, as you can see for yourself, because the inhabitants of these islands, just like those inhabitants of the other 13 or so counties that are off-grid, are very delighted to be able to get connected to electricity for the first time in their lives.
We feel very, very good. We feel very happy because, as you can see, these areas, whenever I tell people that we are marginalized, people don't understand. These are areas that you can see, even the first road. We actually brought this even through CDF, that is coming to school. The first tarmac road was launched, and you can see part of the tarmac is ongoing because this is part of Rusinga Island. It's a smaller island which has an offshoot. So there are, differences that we are beginning to see.
Nyaka ne nyuolwa nyaka sani wane engimawa pokoneno stima ko bire gwengni. Wagoni Nyasaye erokamano ahinya nikech sirikal mar riwruokni miluongo ni broad based mano chagi migosi Ruto omiyo waneno stima kendo watiyogo mang'eny ahinya. Stima makani en ok olal, koth chwe, chieng' rieny en ok olal, en kamano